Getting a girlfriend, it's like when you defeat the final boss in a video game. To get there are 3 levels you need to clear to win the game. So in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through what the 3 levels are to get a girlfriend, and then give you 6 cheat codes you can use to beat these levels easily and get the girl of your dreams. Let's start with level 1, which is the interest. You see, for men, the first level is usually attraction, but for women, the game starts at interest. The reason it starts with interest is because women need to be mentally interested in you before they can become physically attracted to you. So, I'm gonna give you 2 ways to make them interested in you. Go to cheat code number 1. You're gonna optimize your dating app profile with these 5 pictures. If you have these 5 pictures on your dating profile, you will appear far more interesting and therefore get more swipes than any other guy. Now, it is important that you upload these 5 pictures in the order I'm about to show them to you. The first photo is what I call the family man shot. This should show you with either your parents, your younger siblings, or best in all of that, a puppy or a dog. The second photo should be a style photo. This could be you in a nice suit at work, or maybe a nice shirt for a night out. The third photo is the physique shot. This should be a photo at the beach or a nice vacation. However, never do the basic gym selfie, as this will make you look like a tool bag. It should seem effortless. The fourth shot I call the jealousy photo. This should be a picture of you with an attractive girl around you. This could be a best friend, a sister, I don't really care. The idea is just to show potential girls that are swiping on you that you're a high value man that already gets interest from other high value girls. And the final photo is what I call the hobby photo. This should be you doing something that you're passionate about, like playing sports, playing an instrument, going hiking. If you upload these 5 photos, you're already halfway through clearing the first level of making your future girlfriend interested in you. But we're not there yet. There's still 3.5 levels to go to finally get to the final boss of getting a girlfriend. Cheat code number 2, use these 3 conversations hacks to appear more interesting to her. Look, you now know how to get more interest and more matches from girls you like, but now you need to know how to keep them interested. You can't let them get bored. So with these 3 conversation hacks, you'll never have boring conversations with girls again. First, you need to avoid asking boring interview style questions. Stuff like, what do you do for work? Or do you have any hobbies? Bro, that stuff is boring. There's no interest there. Instead, ask exciting questions. Like, you saw she traveled somewhere. You could be like, yo, I saw you went to X on your profile. Was it worth the money? Or for example, let's say you know what she does for work. You can say something like, do you think you're gonna stay in that career long term? Or is it just kind of like a temporary thing? These questions get her excited because it encourages her to open up. That builds a deep connection. And third, always have a few go-to questions that you can use to revive a conversation. For example, if their conversation is it's about to die, you can say something like, oh, I just watched X movie. Have you seen it? Or, I'm taking my parents to dinner tonight. Do you have any favorite restaurants in the area? These are just a few, but you should have a good 10 to 20 of them. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna give them to you. You should take a screenshot of this, put it in your notes, and memorize these questions. Next time your conversation is about to die, pull out any of these to save it. Now let's move on to level 2, attraction. This level begins because you've already made that girl interested in you. Now, we gotta make her physically attracted to you. So, I'm gonna show you 2 ways to make you physically irresistible to any girl you meet. This takes us to cheat code 3. I need you to focus on the 3 attraction focal points. You see, there are 3 things that make a man irresistible or attractive. These are known as focal points. So, here's how you're gonna improve each of these. You see, the first focal point is your hair. It's the first thing they'll see because it shows women that you're young and healthy. And if it's not receding, it shows that you have great genetics, which is what she's looking for, to pass on to her offspring. For this, you need to start eating foods with higher amounts of biotin, such as salmon or avocados. Now, the reality is to truly see effects of hair growth from biotin, you need around 5,000 milligrams a day, which means you're gonna be eating a lot of salmon or a lot of avocados, which is gonna get old. So I can't even do that, which is why I take a supplement that has around 5,000 milligrams of biotin every day. And the supplement that I take, it's my own supplement, and it's from our brand new company, Get Supplements. Whoa boys, Get Attractive Supplement is now available. If you click the link down below, you can subscribe and get 20% off, and you'll keep that price for the rest of your life as a gift from me to you. And every time we drop a new supplement, you'll also get it free in your subscription. If I were you, I'd run and subscribe. I still can't believe we got the domain, bro. GetSupplements.com is such a dope domain, but our first product we're releasing is Get Attractive, a supplement that I have perfected. You already know how I love studying and research. I got deep into it and I perfected just how much did we need of major vitamins to truly look attractive. And I put it in a single capsule. And one of those was hair growth. I wanted it to have thick and healthy hair. So to do that, I added 5,000 milligrams of biotin in our new Get Attractive supplement. The second focal point is your skin. And just like your hair, it tells a woman a lot about how you take care of yourself. Now, to improve your skin, you know you need a good skincare routine, but what everybody forgets is that you also need to have a good diet. Vitamin E is an essential nutrient that your skin needs so it can look radiant and get rid of acne, which you can get from almonds. But again, it's all about consistency. You can't have almonds one day and then not have it again and expect perfect skin. You need to have about 14 milligrams of vitamin E to truly start getting rid of acne and get that perfect skin you want from the inside out. So, of course, a supplement's gonna be the best way because with a supplement, you'll take it every day and you'll never forget. And you know your boy added it into the perfect formulation for Get Attractive. Not only did we add biotin, I added 14 milligrams of vitamin E so you can get clear skin from that single capsule. Now, finally, the third focal point of your attractiveness is your overall mood and energy. The more confident you look, the more high energy you look, the more attractive you're gonna be to anybody around you. Now, to keep energy levels high and keep your mood great, not feel depressed, is pretty difficult to do unless you have high vitamin B6 levels, which again, you can get naturally from foods like beans, lentils, or eggs. But to make it easier for you and myself, I created the perfect formulation with Get Attractive because I also included vitamin B6 for that very reason. So every day that you take it is a great day. You look better, you feel better, and it's a supplement that doesn't exist in the market. No one else is doing this. So of course you know your boy had to. Listen to this, boys. We're dropping Get supplements this October 26th, which means those of you that buy it will be the first guys to ever test out this supplement. A new supplement in the market that nobody is doing and I've been using for the last few months. So I had to do a special offer for you, an offer that you will never hear again. No one will ever get this, only you guys, the first people to ever use it. If you sign up to our monthly subscription of Get Attractive, you're gonna get a bottle delivered to your door every month because consistency is key here. So you don't even have to worry about it. But I'm gonna make this offer great. I'm not only gonna take 20% off and you're gonna have that price grandfathered. So if you never cancel, you'll always have a lower price than anybody else in the future. But I'm not stopping there. For you early adopters, every 2 months, we're gonna drop a new Get supplement product that's gonna help something else like your testosterone, your libido, your strength. For those of you that subscribe now and you're the early attraction hackers, that's what I'm gonna call you guys, attraction hackers, you're the first guys to buy. You're gonna get that one supplement every time we drop. You're gonna get it free in your subscription. You're not gonna have to pay for it. Again, that's insane. I'm never gonna offer this again, and it's only for early adopters because you guys believe in the vision that I have. Building Get supplement into vitamins for men that make you look and feel great. No one is doing this. So if you guys want to check it out, put a reminder on your phone. October 26th, we launch. If you don't remember, you're going to miss out in one of the greatest offers I've ever done, and no one will ever get access to this in the future. So I hope my boys got my back, because this is a big one, bro. I'm excited for this. Cheat code 4, start asking for this haircut. I want you to take a look at these videos with me. All right, to start, they look pretty normal, pretty rough, average looking dude, but you know what's coming. Watch what happens when they get the right fade for their face shape. That's incredible, bro. In 30 minutes, you took a guy that was meh to a guy that's attractive. Here you got another one. Look at the transformation here. This is because the right fade for your face shape accentuates your jawline and your facial structure. Take a look at this guy. God damn, this guy looks like a stud, bro. All of you can look this good. And I'm sure all of you have seen transformations like these on your feed before, but most of you have never fully understood exactly why they look so good after. So if you want that level of transformation for your next haircut, you need to ask your barber the right thing. So if you have a short and a round face, I want you to go for a high fade, as this is gonna elongate your head. If you have a long and skinny face, you're gonna go for a low fade, as this is gonna shorten your head and make you look more proportional. And if you have a normal face with good structure already, go for a mid fade, as this is already balanced and pretty much anything will look good on you anyway. But at this point, you've already conquered level 1 and created interest from the girl. And now you just completed level 2 and got her to be attracted to you. But there is one last level you must conquer to finally get a girlfriend. And that's level 3, infatuation. Once you're at this level, this is the point where you want to push her to be emotionally infatuated with you. So she's obsessed. and wants to be your girlfriend. So for this, I'm gonna give you 2 cheat codes, which moves us on to cheat code number 5. Make her start chasing you with the bait and switch technique. Even if a girl already finds you physically attractive, you should never text, FaceTime, or meet up with her without first understanding the bait and switch technique. Here is how it works. First, when she messages you next, don't respond to the next day. You can explain to her that you got extremely busy and you just missed her text. Then, in your follow-up message, suggest a FaceTime call that evening. When the time comes for the call, wait at least about an hour before reaching out. When you do call, again, apologize for the delay. And finally, I want you to plan to meet up for that weekend, but then change it to the following day at the very last minute. Now, this approach might feel a bit uncomfortable, but it's crucial to increase her emotional interest. Because if she's not invested in you, she's not gonna care. But if she is, she will have heightened emotions for you, which will make her more likely to want to date you. Cheat code number 6. Understand how men and women fall in love. You see, how guys fall in love and how girls fall in love is completely opposite. You see, guys, they fall in love quickly, while girls fall in love slowly. So as a man, you need to pace yourself. Guys, they fall in love with what they see, but girls, they fall in love with what they hear. So as a man, you always must be a man of your word. Guys, they fall in love with protecting a girl, while girls fall in love with being protected. So as a guy, you have to make sure you're always physically and financially able to protect. Guys fall in love with how a girl treats them, while girls fall in love with how guys treat others. So, tip well and always be kind to others that are below you in life. And lastly, guys fall in love with vulnerability, while girls fall in love with fortitude, which means you should show your emotions, but don't let them control your life. Once you understand these 5 differences and the necessary steps to make girls fall in love, you have now unlocked the final stage, being the final boss in the game, and can now have a girlfriend. And for those of you that truly want to level up and become attractive, I want you guys to help support our new brand, Get Supplements, with the first of its kind, Get Attractive Supplement. Remember, if you join, you're going to have an offer that no one else in the future will ever have. See your boys next time.